National Highway Authority of India Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari ji has sanctioned a flyover very consciously to see that congestion of traffic is removed from Dabolim Junction or Airport Junction up till Queenie Nagar. This is the first phase. Second phase from Queenie Nagar it will go right up till Verna Junction. Even today traffic goes very fast from Panjim, but it gets held up at Verna Junction. So there also the flyover has to come. But first phase has been sanctioned. I remember along with collector, along with admiral that time of the Navy, with all his commanders, collector along with deputy collector, additional collector, everybody, I chaired the meeting. In their own conference room in NAD, Naval Armament Depot conference room, we took a meeting. It was resolved, it is minuted, those minutes are there with the collector. And it was agreed that they will move about 5 to 8 meters away. And if you look at the road which goes to the airport, only near Naval Armament Depot it is narrow, always causing accident. They said we will move back. But their condition was we don't have funds to move back. Who will build a wall? Our pipeline will be affected, our gutter will be affected, our cable has to be replaced. National Highway at my request, it is minuted. They said we will bear the full cost of the wall, we will build a new wall behind, we will put the cable, we will put the gutter and all other infrastructure that you are losing, we will do it at our cost. So it was amicably settled. Now it has been tendered, work is about to start as far as National Highway Authority is concerned. And now they say, no, we are willing to give you, but you follow the normal procedure of acquisition of land. So it has become an ego clash. It is actually an encroachment done by Navy of 2000 square meters. So National Highway is saying we will not apply for acquisition because it is our land, you have encroached.